Just when we got our heads around ChatGPT, another one came along. Auto-GPT is an experimental open source pushing the capabilities of the GPT-4 language model. If you want to learn more about it, then keep on watching. But before we start, hit like and share this video so it could reach more people. And let's get started. First, let's talk about what is Auto-GPT. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. In its simplest terms, it's technology that attempts to replicate a human brain. AutoGPT is an experimental open-source application that showcases the capabilities of the GPT-4 language model. AutoGPT uses GPT-4 to autonomously develop and manage businesses, such as creating websites, writing articles, generating logos, and marketing products. AutoGPT also has access to the internet and can perform searches and gather information. The key difference with AutoGPT compared to the recently launched AI-driven chatbots is that it doesn't need that much human input. So, how does it work exactly? There are four main elements to AutoGPT that makes it efficient and productive as it claims to be. Firstly, the language model it deploys. GPT-4 is the latest generation of GPT technology from OpenAI, released in mid-March this year. That's the part that helps it think. Secondly, it's programmed to use autonomous iterations, which is the aspects that supports the chatbot in correcting any mistakes, and then proceed to learn from them. Thirdly, it's memory storage solution. AutoGPT has been integrated with vector databases, which enable the tech to store information and improve its decision-making process in the future. And then finally, its multifunctionality. It can browse the World Wide Web in a matter of moments, retrieve and store data, and then edit data files if required. For example, name Chef GPT. Role, an AI designed to find an ordinary recipe on the web and turn it into a Michelin star quality recipe. Our goal number 1 is to find a simple recipe online, and the goal number 2 is to turn this simple recipe into a Michelin star quality version. Once AutoGPT has met the description and goals, it will start to do its own thing until the project is at a satisfactory level. Next, here are AutoGPT's advantages. According to the information on the page, AutoGPT has a number of features: the capacity to manage long-term and short-term memory, access ChatGPT-4 instances for text production, and accessibility to well-known websites and platforms, and the ability to store and summarize files using GPT 3.5 are all provided. AutoGPT is a Python 3.8 or later application that requires an OpenAI API key and a Pinecone API key to function. It's important to keep in mind though that the authors have stated that AutoGPT is only a preliminary tool and not yet a complete product. As a result, its performance is complex. Real-world business scenarios may be limited. The authors have also asked users to feedback on their experiences with the app. Moreover, operating AutoGPT might be expensive. Thus, users should use OpenAI to configure and monitor API key limits in order to prevent paying too much. Lastly, let's talk about the main concerns around programs like AutoGPT. We've already seen the repercussions from ChatGPT emerging over the course of the past few months. But with the introduction of AutoGPT, suddenly high school kids cheating on their test papers feels like a relatively minimal concern. When Elon Musk steps in to warn people of the risks of technology like this, you can probably gauge that some feel the AI race is getting a little out of hand. It's undoubtedly going to be an interesting few weeks for people putting the platform's capabilities to the test. How about you? What do you think of AutoGPT? Share it on the comments down below. And there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if it did, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
Have you ever got your Facebook ad account banned for no reason? Unable to run campaigns and have limited outreach campaigns for clients? Can't post in groups and forums? And are you tired of all the logging in and out and OTPs all day? And want to work with your team but you can't? Well, for all this trouble running marketing campaigns, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the ultimate multi-login, multi-account, and anti-detect marketers browser, Logi Browser, the growth hacker's favorite browser. With Logi Browser, you can run multiple ad accounts, multi-account social media, blogs, and group marketing campaigns while keeping your accounts safe. So if you're going to be an internet marketer, if you're a growth hacker, or if you're running an agency or any kind of ad accounts, this product is absolutely vital for you. So go ahead and try it out. Just go to logi.in. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.